Hi there! I made a special Valentine's Day video just for you. We're going to read a sentence with these words in it. Repeat the words after me. Love, so, I, much. Here's the sentence. Can you read any of it? Now, repeat the words after me. I love you so much. I love you so much. Great job. These words are in the next sentence we're going to read. Repeat the words after me. You will my Valentine be. Here's the sentence. Look at the end of the sentence. That right there is a question mark. This sentence is asking a question. Repeat the words after me. Will you be my Valentine? Will you be my Valentine? Awesome job! Happy Valentine's Day from Kickstart Reading.